How's it going, everyone? It is the investing guy here, and today I have a video for you guys on an updated portfolio on my Robinhood account. I know I haven't talked about it for a bit, but it is a dividend focused account with also premium from covered calls and cash secured puts. So if you guys are interested in that content, make sure that you smash that like button, and if you haven't done so already, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. All right, guys, let's get right into this video. So today we finally had a good day. You know, I really needed this after taking a bunch of losses lately, but yeah, it's looking quite well. You know, on the week we're up, I think, more than $1,000, so $1,300. So that's looking quite well. First thing, let's go ahead and check out my options here. This is a covered call portfolio with also some dividend stocks in there. Later on in the video, I am going to show you guys how much I made specifically off of dividends and also from my covered call strategy. So you guys can check that out, and the timestamps will be down below. So you guys can go ahead and fast forward to that area if that's what you're really interested in. But let's go ahead and see what we have here. So you guys can see that I did go ahead and just do some long covered calls for SoFi and Robinhood, and at these prices I am comfortable selling at these prices since I would have made alpha, which means, you know, I'm seeking 8% returns minimum, and this would be more than 8% return for me, so that's okay for me selling at these prices. Then for Starbucks here, we do have one at 85. I don't want to sell this, but if anything, I could always just roll this on over for a longer expiration date. But yeah, getting a little bit too close for my liking. Starbucks is one of those companies that I want to hold forever. So we'll see if it gets a lot closer to 85, I'll probably just roll this on over to a longer expiration date. Lucid is looking good here. On this one, we've made quite a bit of money, I think. Oh, we were already up to like 70%, and it looks like today it went up quite a bit. So we are now down to 40%, 48% returns off that one. But one of my new ones that I do want to talk about is Polestar here. This one here is a cash secured put. So if you guys check this out, I did put a cash secured put for $9. So if Polestar went down to $9, then we were going to go ahead and purchase 100 shares of Polestar. I do want to own 100 shares of Polestar, so be aware of that, right? Only do this with stocks that you want to own. I have done quite a bit of research into Polestar, and I like what they're doing. I kind of want this to go down to $9. That way I can purchase the stock at that price. But as of now, it looks like we're not going to be assigned unless if tomorrow it just drops a ton. But again, next week, what I'll do is I'll probably just do another cash secure put at $9 and keep on accumulating that premium. So we got $27 for this week, which means 3% instantly, 3% out of our $900 investment was made instantly. So this is quite a good little strategy. If you want to make a purchase on a stock, you know, look at cash secured puts. If you don't know what they are, it really does give you a little bit of breathing space whenever you make those big purchases on those stocks. If they drop down a little bit more, well, it's fine because you made a little bit of premium there, right? So that's kind of what I'm doing here, just making a little bit of premium before I actually purchase the 100 shares of Polestar. So I would be comfortable buying at $9. All right, now let's look at the rest of the portfolio. So I kind of call this my own personal ETF, right? I hold a ton of shares. I love diversity. So you can say whatever you want, right? But this is what I have here. And pretty much what I do is I'll search up companies, and if I like them, I'll do a little bit of a small purchase. You could see that some of these literally only have like one share, right? Some of these don't even have a total share, for example, Verizon here. But I will slowly, you know, make $5 purchases here every single day. If I see it at a good price, I'll just buy like $3, $4, whatever it is, you know, maybe $10 or something like that, and slowly build up that position. So you can see, for example, Coca-Cola here. I haven't seen it at a good price. I want to see it lower than $60, and then I'll go ahead and start purchasing a little bit more. But let's go ahead and roll down, because since the last time that I made a video on this, I didn't really talk about Google that much, but I have been purchasing a ton of Google. So let's go ahead and look at what that's looking like. So we're up 3% on this here, and our average cost is $2,300, and we have about almost two shares here. I am interested in selling my shares of Google. If we reach about 2,490-ish, 80-ish, around there, that's when I would be looking to sell my shares of Google. I will purchase my shares of of Google right back, but I am keeping an eye out for this because I do want to go ahead and sell some of it, and then hopefully it drops back down to a price where I can go ahead and purchase a little bit more. So the reason why I'm doing that is because right now I am not earning any sort of income, right, from Google. It doesn't give me a dividend, and I can't sell covered calls or anything like that on it. So I'm making no income. And so what I want to do is that every single position that I have here is making some sort of income. For example, SoFi doesn't pay me a dividend, but it is giving me income from covered calls. So every single stock that I have here is giving me some sort of income, either through dividends or through covered calls. And so Google is the only big position that I have that is not doing that. So I do go ahead and I want to trade it, and make some money that way. Now, another stock that I did purchase was Intuit. So you guys might know TurboTax or anything like that, right? That's Intuit there. I did go ahead and I purchased at $383. I bought one whole share, and I am looking to also sell this if it reaches about the $420 mark. I already have the order limit set here. So if it reaches that $420 mark, then it's just going to go ahead and sell it for me. I'm looking to sell that because, it would give you guys look here. I always try to reach alpha, and that would give me my alpha returns literally within a few, I don't even think it's been like a few weeks, right? Maybe like 2 weeks. It'd give me that alpha that I'm seeking it within 1 year. It would give it to me in a week. So that would be, that'd be a very nice return, and I want to lock in that alpha there. So a little bit of trades here and there. I'm not usually that much of a trader, but I do rely on just a little bit of trades and make a few profits, a few bucks here and there. But anyways, this portfolio is looking quite well. I'm also looking at other positions which I want to add. Currently, I do have a list of about 5 stocks that I'm looking at. So I definitely will make a video on that. But you can see that I get a lot of dividends. I do hold a lot of stocks, a lot of different companies. So I do get a lot of dividends. Some are very small, and some others are a lot bigger, as you guys can see here. But yeah, here are pretty much the biggest ones are right here with the Global X or QYLD, and then RYLD, which paid $12.80, and then QYLD paid $11.36. But I went ahead and I added all this for you guys. And pretty much the total amount for June was a whopping $65.11. So that was quite nice. And next month, I think we are going to have one of the bigger companies that we hold pay us a dividend. So I'm hoping that that's going to be more than $65.11. So that's how much we made from our dividends. We also made money from our options premiums. I showed you guys all the positions that I do options on. So this month we made a total of $112 from those premiums. I'm showing here one from Robinhood for $24. So a total of $112 from our premiums. So if we add those two up, so we made $65.11 from our dividends and then $112 from our options premium, which brings us to a total of $177.11. So this month we made a total of $177.11. The goal is going to be growing that every single month. There are going to be some bumps on the road, though, where our options premium might not be the best, this and that. But hopefully we can be growing it month after month. And I will be keeping track of that for you guys, and just seeing how this account grows is going to be very interesting for myself to see. So we already made $177. Hopefully in the near future, we can make $500 with this account and really be generating some nice income from these positions. All right, guys, so I know that this was a different type of video. It wasn't a crypto video. When I first started my channel, I did talk mostly about stocks and then slowly started getting into crypto. And my channel just slowly went more into a crypto direction. But with all the things that have been occurring, I really think it's quite important to bring it back over here to, the basics, stocks and whatnot. I really do believe in dividend stocks, and so this is something that I've been doing on the side. I've never stopped investing into dividend stocks, even though I didn't really talk much about it. I would always do it on the side. I did have a bunch of videos that didn't really do well, so I kind of stopped doing it. So I really hope that you guys find some quality in this, that you guys find that there are more things than just crypto out there. Being 100% in crypto was never my goal, and I never did that. And so hopefully you guys can see that being diversified is very, very important. As we can see here, I do have some money in stocks and other stuff. I have my Roth IRA, things like that I haven't really talked about, but I do have because I think it's quite important. Hopefully you guys do like this new type of content. And so if you guys appreciate this, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, guys, go ahead and support my channel by smashing that subscribe. All right, guys, like I like to say, let's go to the moon together, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.